Grooming is a subset of fashion and no man should ignore it. You can be the most handsome man in the room, blessed with great genes, a great body, and have your style on point, but it's all down the drain if you don't have a good grooming routine. And I'm not just talking about basic hygiene, that's the bare minimum. I'm talking about habits that will elevate your looks and make you look the best version of yourself that you can present to the world. Unfortunately, most guys I come across are totally clueless about this. What's up guys, I'm Adwait and welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is focused on fitness and fashion for men without all the BS, so please subscribe if you like this type of content. Today I'll give you 7 hacks to boost your looks before you even step out of your washroom. The first and foremost is getting a haircut that suits you. Look, everyone has different face shapes and hair types, so trying to copy someone else's haircut just because it looks good on them is not the right way to go. The best thing about hair is that it grows back, which allows you to experiment with a bunch of styles. So try out some styles based on your face shape and pick the best one to make it your signature look. I've tried all kinds of different hairstyles, not the mullet though, fuck that. And I realized that my face looks more masculine with shorter hair paired with a short, almost stubble-like beard. So I've decided to keep this look. Make sure you get a fresh cut at least once a month to maintain that look, or if your hair grows fast like mine does, get a cut every 2 weeks. A good haircut can change the way you look overnight and people will see you in a different light. This increase in attention from people also helps you boost your confidence a bit, as deep down you know you look good. An old friend of mine recently DM'd me asking me if I can make a detailed video about haircuts, and yes, it's in the works. So shout out to him if he's watching. Next up, number 2 is a beard. A beard is a very prominent and one of the most noticeable masculine traits. A well-trimmed, well-kept beard not only gets attention from women, but also commands respect from other men. A study was conducted where they found out that women found men with beards more attractive. More specifically, over 60% of women said they preferred a light stubble or a short, well-trimmed beard on a guy. What's important here is to trim it regularly. You cannot have hair on your neck or have unevenly cut hair strands randomly sticking out. If you're someone who can't grow a full beard or suffers from having a patchy one, you can totally rock a clean-shaven look. If you can pull it off, it looks amazing, especially when wearing formal outfits. I don't shave my beard off as I don't dress formal on a regular basis and it makes me look like a baby, or at best, someone who's just hit puberty. Number 3 is oral care. When your mom said brush, floss, and use mouthwash every day, know that she was onto something. As a guy or even a woman, it's very important to always keep your breath and your oral health in check. Make sure you brush your teeth in the morning and before bed. Try using a mouthwash after every meal, and please don't forget to floss every day before bed. Seriously, all of it combined takes like 5 minutes. It's so common for people to ignore their oral health these days. If I got $1 for every time I met someone with food in their teeth or with a terrible breath, I would have had a mansion in Niagara Falls by now. If you have yellow teeth, use a charcoal-based toothpaste, or if it's really bad, it's probably time to say hi to your dentist. A bad oral hygiene is extremely off-putting and repulsive, and know that people will hesitate talking to you. But on the other hand, if people are complimenting you on how white your teeth are or how great your smile is, know that you're doing something right. Number 4 is skincare. Now, I'm not asking you guys to spend $500 to get all the different kinds of skincare products. What I'm asking you to do is observe your skin and the way it responds to different products. If you have a sweaty, oily skin throughout the day, use a talc-free body powder to fix that. If you have extremely dry skin, use a moisturizer. If you have acne on your face, use an exfoliating face wash once or twice a day. Everyone has different body chemistry and your skin will react differently to various products. Only buy the products that work for you and solve whatever skin problems that you might have. The formula here is really simple and logical. Identify your skin problems, try out different products, note your body's response to these products, and stick to the basics. Number 5, and dude, if you know me, you saw this one coming. Wear a fragrance. There is no bigger turnoff for people than having a bad body odor. So make sure you shower at least once a day, put on a deodorant, and use a fragrance to enhance your allure. A good fragrance can go a long way as it makes you memorable after your interactions with people. I have a detailed video about using fragrances, so make sure you check it out. Personally, I'd recommend owning at least 2 or 3 different and unique fragrances that become your signature scents for a variety of occasions. A good fragrance will put you in a different spotlight and is refreshing for most people. You'll certainly pull compliments from both women and men. Number 6 is trimming your body hair and nails. If you're someone who grows an absurd amount of body hair, make sure you trim it at least once a week. I'm not asking you to shave it off completely, but trimming it down certainly helps elevate your appeal. For starters, it shows off your muscles more if you've been following my fitness tips and actually hitting the gym. And it also keeps you cleaner as you won't be sweating as much. If you don't grow a whole lot of body hair, you probably don't need to do this. The other thing is keeping your nails clean. Women spend a ton of money on nails, so naturally They notice a guy's nails as well. You don't need to go get manicures and pedicures. All you need to do is clip your nails and keep them clean. If you're working in construction or with heavy machines, make sure you clean them regularly as you might have oil and dirt stuck underneath them. Just some basic hygiene here will go a long way for you guys. And lastly, number 7, tweeze your eyebrows. This might sound strange, but hear me out, it makes sense even for a guy. I've personally tried this and noticed a difference. All you need to do is squeeze out some hairs and define the boundaries of your eyebrows. If you have a unibrow, this will transform your face massively. Now, I don't grow a unibrow, but naturally have some outlying strands here and there. Tweezing them out makes your face look more symmetrical and makes your eyes stand out. It doesn't make your face look feminine in any way, but it gives you a well-groomed look. If you have asymmetrical eyebrows or a unibrow, trust me on this. You can do this once a month or so and you'll be fine. And that's a wrap, guys. Those were the 7 grooming habits every guy needs to look the best version of himself. I'm not asking you to spend a stupid amount of money on any of these habits. Be logical and find out what you need, and other than getting a haircut, all of these are quick fixes that you can do by yourself at home. Thank you all so much for watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you have a good week ahead. I'll catch you guys next week.